Nei. Hang on. Dear sir, allow me to presume, even though we haven't been quite properly introduced, that you know about me just as I know about you. Maybe just my name, one annoying factor too. Dear sir, I must admit, oh hell, what can I do? You're not my cup of tea, I'm in hearing about you. Yours were the wildest dreams, whistle made her feel a fool. Yours the nights when the phone was all constant ring. But I still see you in cities which you never took home, and a few of them so cool, and others you will miss. Dear sir, I still see you in a quiet smile she makes, that picture in a crate I pretend I haven't seen. The two of you, so young and strong, next to a van. While the view of Paris or Budapest lays behind. You are pointing to the camera, wearing a defiant smile, and you feel you are eternal somehow, and you ignore that I exist, that I am just waiting my time. Well, but you two look so nice, and it must have hurt so much. And guess, well, I know, believe me, I understand that maybe even now you feel you crumble down for a sake of an old friend says a name that you both shared. But now I hope everything's fine, and you don't really miss those times. And whenever you look back, it's so over you can smile. And there's so many things around, and you're having so much fun. And you feel grateful that I grew hidden your pit of lies, hidden in an awkward look, behind annoying doubts and every sudden intuition. Could there be much more to life? Hidden in we're still too young, and we can't make up our minds. Hidden in I don't know why, but I feel trapped and wanna die. Dear sir, how weird to think it hurts so much for you to know my name, my fate, my hands, my touch, or my fingers gently running down her spine. Dear sir, I'm sorry I arrived and took your place, but one fine day you'll understand I waited my time. Dear sir, I must conclude, I know you're a busy man. I just have to say goodbye, and that I am much obliged. I hope you're not too cross, and you don't think I'm nuts. May the first be with us. Farewell, adieu, goodbye. If we ever cross paths, my apologies. From now I'll look like a serious man. Well, while you two catch up, I'll pretend not to be hearing your joke about my height, or how you justify that your style's oh so smart. We'll wave a goodbye and walk away, and she will say you have grey hairs, and step by step we'll leave you behind. Just like the scamp who stayed in the corridor to slap her bum, and used to kiss her in the bushes at the back door of the school. Oh, poor fools, what a shock it would have been if you and I had jumped out and said oh hi, we're waiting our time. Come on, make some space for us, 'cause we're waiting our time.